Okay, class, today we're going to talk about volume of prisms. Okay, so first off, let's do a little bit of vocabulary. First vocabulary is volume. What is the volume? Well, it's not on your radio. What it is it's how much room an object takes up. Okay, how much room an object takes up, that is its volume. Second thing is, what is a prism? A prism is a 3D figure with two parallel congruent sides. We're going to call them, two congruent faces, and we call those bases. Okay, so what is the formula for the volume of prisms? Well, we use the formula V equals big B H. And I call that it's a big B, it's a capital B, because it means something different. It's not just the base in this situation. Okay, that big B means the area of the base. Whatever that base may be, you're going to find the area of it and then multiply the area times the height. Okay, so let's look at number 1. And I've already kind of started this for us. Okay, I colored in my base, so you want to make sure you color in your base. We're looking at a rectangular prism. Okay, so the formula for volume is volume equals the area of the base times the height. So let's find the area of my base. The area of a rectangle is length times width. Okay, so my length is 8. My width is 6. 8 times 6 is 48. Okay, so now doing my volume. So my area of my base is 48. The height of my prism is 4. So 48 times 4 is 192. Okay, now centimeters. Now we talked about area. Area is your units squared. Volume is your units cubed. And that is the volume of my rectangular prism. Okay, so I'm out of room here. So I'm going to turn the page and we're going to look at number 2. So once again, I already kind of started it for us. We're dealing with a triangular base. Make sure you draw your bases. Okay, so the volume of a prism is the area of the base times the height. My base is a triangle, so area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Don't get confused here. We're talking about the base of the triangle and the height of the triangle. So the base of my triangle is 7. The height of my triangle is 5. And then I'm going to take that and divide by 2. So 7 times 5 is 35. Divide by 2. So the area of my triangle is 17.5. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my volume. Area of the base times the height. So I have 17.5 times the height of my prism, 10. So my volume is 175. We're talking about feet, and we're talking about volume, so it's feet cubed. Okay, so now let's look at number 3, my last one. Okay, which lunchbox holds more food? Well, we need to find the volume of each one of those to truly see. Now, just looking at it, I'm betting most of y'all think that it's going to be A because A is taller. But let's just see. I'm not going to tell you the answer just yet. So, first off, I need to find the area of my rectangle, area of my base, which is length times width. Sorry, we're going to call this box A. Length times width, so I have 7.5 times 3.75. Seven 7.5 times 3.75 is 28.3. Okay, so now I'm going to plug it into my volume, right, which is the area of the base times the height. Area of my base is 28.3. The height is 10. So the volume of box A is 283 inches cubed. Okay, so now let's try box B. So I still have my area is length times width. So in this case, my length is 8, my width is 3.75. Which is 30. I'm going to plug it into my volume formula. So I have 30 times 9.5. So my volume is 285 inches cubed. Which one of these has the bigger volume? Box B. So box B is my answer. It has the bigger volume, so it would hold the most food. Okay, that's it for this evening. Have a great night.